Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women poncho designs. Different color, different design, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection, most attractive and fashionable and top trendy collection for those ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, then you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet woman poncho design and others like crochet woman caplet, cap shawl, woman cap design, crochet women long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, long dresses, short dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless dresses, off shoulder dresses also, crochet women bodycons, scarter dresses also, crochet women scarf designs, curtain designs, crochet bed sheets, cushion covers, tablecloths, sofa covers, crochet baby material also like crochet baby frock design, crochet baby sandal design, crochet baby romper designs, crochet jewelry also like crochet necklace, earrings, bracelet designs, feet jewelry also like crochet anklet design, many more things also. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you, so don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share my videos. Now goodbye till the next video, see you soon.